Hello YouTube, hi, we're back with the third episode of Chainsaw Man. I'm actually really enjoying the series so far. I know I've only watched the first two episodes, but I'm really enjoying it so far. I'm really glad to watch this third episode, so let's just jump straight into it. Let's go. Ew. Is this from the Sea Cucumber Devil? From Power Going Ballistic? I love her, by the way. Uh-oh, they're being chastised. They're being chastised. Why is it Denji's job to control her? Girl, why you lying? Why you lying? L move, Power, L move. She's just watching all this unfold. When's she gonna intervene? There she is. I love the way they draw Makima's eyes. It's so unique. Dude, look away from the boobs. Chill out. Look at him living like a normal person, kinda. Aw. And then, and then there's Power. I love her. Nope. Yeah, dude, no fucking shot. Worry about the titties another time. Aw, she's so cute. Oh my goodness. She's good to the kitty. Her pet Meowie. Oh no. Will somebody find her cat, please? Oh my goodness. Bro, he did not just tell her that. What the fuck, Denji? Bro, what? She gonna bribe him with fucking with titty grab for cat? What the fuck? Bro, he's so predictable. Oh. That's sad. They should. I mean, I get it. I mean, it's sad, but I get it. She's kind of crazy. I miss Pochita every day. No, he means that quite literally, Power. No, he means that quite literally. Pochita lives inside of him. God, she's so pretty. Power is the prettiest. It doesn't seem like that's gonna be a problem for her. Her in that 1,000-yard stare. Goddamn. Yeah, you would be the one to say that, huh? All devils are born with names. Interesting. How are devils born? Do they explain that in the series? Yeah, he was treated like absolute ass before. What do you mean? Girl, he's not joking. What do you mean? I think Power's setting him up for failure. Power's definitely setting him up for failure. Baby girl's sus. What did I say? Oh, you spooky. Oh, you're a spooky bitch. Oh no. Rest in peace, Denji. He just realized he can't be friends with power. That's kind of sad. Yeah, he trusted you. He shouldn't have trusted you. He only trusted you because he wanted to feel the boobas. Oh, bro, you a freak. You give her her cat. He probably ate it. I'm betting you money he ate it. No. Oh, now he's gonna eat it, isn't he? That's fucked, bro. Aww. Oh, that poor kitty. I'm so sad for it. Rest in peace, Meowie. That's kind of fucked, bro. Yeah, he realizes how fucked that is. Yeah. Yeah, isn't it? Rest in peace, Power. You're gone next. Good God, what the fuck? What the fuck is wrong with this douche? Uh-oh. Do it, do it, do it, do it! This is a really depressing episode. Aww. Aw, he still has sympathy for her. He's so sweet. Hell fucking yeah, let's go, bro. Didn't expect that, now did ya, bitch? Girl, run. Girl, just run. Don't fucking stand there, fucking run. Run. Yeah, good. Goodbye. That's so fucking based, bro. Epic fight scene, let's go! That's not really close. Bat Devil's really fighting for his life here. And they're really fucking shit up. Holy goddamn hell. Run, dude! Why does everybody just stand there and stare? Run! Run! You know what? Fucking Denji's so based, he literally just wants to cop a feel. What the fuck is that? Yo, that's fucking crazy. Get up. Why does everybody just sit there, dude? You should have ran. Why do they all just sit there? Why don't these fucking people run? Yo, he looks crazy. That's such an insane shot. Holy hell. Oh, the music is so good. Holy shit. Dude, that's a mistake. Have you not learned? He just cut off your other arm. Oh, you're dead. Rest in peace, Bat Devil. Dude, that's foul. Okay, but now get in there and get power out. Get power and Meowie out. That was a crazy episode, guys. Um, thank you guys, for joining me. Um, it was a lovely time. I hope you guys, have a wonderful rest of your day. If you'd like to see more content like this, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.